Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat public profile followers. So open the Snapchat app on this iOS device and now go in the top left corner of avatar profile icon. So from here you will just have to find a public profile. Just little bit scroll down and find my public profile. Just tap to my public profile and here you will see the 57 followers are mine on Snapchat. So whenever you want to again check the follower increasing, you will just go in the profile icon and tap to my public profile. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.